Welcome to Learning Tech. Hope you all are well. In this video, we'll review B24Mining.com and know how to sign up and how to earn Bitcoin on here. Firstly, I am sorry to say that I do not speak English well. So if I say anything wrong, then please forgive me. So let's start our today's video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the notification all. Okay, so let's start it. Firstly, go to the video link video description. Okay, you can find this website link. Then click on this link here. You need to click on the you need to go the right website on here. So click on the link and go to this website, because there are many fake websites on here. Do not to be wrong. So firstly, you can see, if you sign up here, you can free 850 gigahertz power, so you can mine on here. And I also said that this kind of website do not stay here long time, so you need to be quick. This website is mining uptime is just 7 days. Okay, it's not so far to start. You need to start today. Okay, so you need to sign up on here. So first click on this sign up button on here and you go to the next page. Then you need to sign up. Okay, just fill your email address on here and pick your any username on here. Let's say take. Okay, you need to use your own, and I can set your password in here. Your password in here and repeat invitation code. You can put my invitation code here, my invitation link in the description. Okay, and fill your Bitcoin address on here and then continue. I have already created an account on here, so I can sign up on here. So login. I'm just logging now. Okay, so I fill my information here and continue, and successfully login. Then I can go the control panel on here. Firstly, I am say that you need to purchase a plan on here. You need to purchase this plan. Okay, and this plan, if you do not purchase this plan, you do not withdraw on here. So you need 0.0009 Bitcoin. To purchase this plan, you can mine every hour this kind of Bitcoin, and every day you mine this BTC. Okay, you can return your investment on just 12 days. So it is really good. You need to purchase this plan, so upgrade on here, and you need to purchase this minimum plan. Okay, minimum, so you need to purchase this in your balance also, and you need to send your this kind 0.009 BTC on this wallet address, and your mining power is automatically generated. Okay, you don't need to do anything. I am again said that this you need to purchase this plan to withdraw your money on here. if you do not purchase this plan, you do not withdraw your money. Okay, so minimum payout, so let's take the minimum payout on here. The minimum payout is 0.00137 BTC. Okay, if and you need to paste your Bitcoin address on here. You need to put your Bitcoin address on here and then payout. Okay, so simple on here. This is all of ours. This partner program is also on here. If you need referral and you can earn more. Okay, you can. So thank you for watching today. Please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you so much. And if you do not understand anything, then please comment down below. I can solve your problem on here. And if I mistake anything here, then please forgive me.